Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out today with the Welsh Wanderer, my new sleeping partner, I think. What are you saying, Dawes?
Well, you wish.
Yeah, so this is our second night now. We're meeting up with boys in the woods. Yeah. So we got a good half hour walk in front of us. Fair play to Gay, giving us a brilliant map which he's sketched himself. It's absolutely fabulous. So we're going to follow the map now, and we'll speak to you at the harbour. Speak soon, guys. Here's Dawes, as you know, we've seen him last night. I got to see him in the nude.
Did you?
Here's Gay, boys in the woods.
I can't say anything after that. I'm still thinking of him in the nude.
I really
I've only just met him.
I wound him up since we got here.
Nice to see you all.
Yeah, I was talking to a guy, Lewis Payne, where we parked up, and I wound Mr. Welsh Wanderer up something terrible, didn't I, but?
Yeah. There is a rule about the big bill, boys. No nude, alright?
Oh, he's added it.
That's you fucked up.
You might do a go now, he got his Gimp mask as well.
Rule.
You put a Gimp mask on him. Are they allowed to?
If you got a Gimp mask on, that's not nude.
Oh, right, there you
If I
are.
can see your face, no.
You're right then, but?
You got a mankini with you then, have you?
No. Commando I am, boy. Right, let's get to the bill then. Right, guys, so we're at the camp. So this is Gay's baby. It's called the Big Build. We'll show you around it later now, but yeah, so we're here. Me and Dawes are having a bit of light hydration, and Gay have already started on the hard stuff. Lovely present of Gay. Watch this now, guys. Watch this. It's going to come in very useful. Absolutely fab. Very useful. Thank you, Gay. Thank you very much. Speak to you in a bit, guys. So there's Gay's big build. So I've got my Recom one. I'm going to set it up here. I think Dawes is setting up there. Gay is going to sleep in his bivvy bag inside the big build. But for me, it's here in the Recom one. I'll put up in the card section the review I did on it, okay? So that's me for tonight, guys. I'm not going to bother putting a fly sheet on as there's no rain forecast. Just take it around here now. So this is the Recom one. It's a one-man tent, as you can see. Here's the front. And I just got a space blanket on the bottom there. Just going to put an inflatable mattress in now, and a sleeping bag on top of that. So there's the inflatable mat inside. Put the sleeping bag in now. And the sleeping bag of choice for this one is 3 Seasons Euro Hike Down Hybrid 500. I'll put a card up of the review I done on this product. So there you go. All set up. I say not putting the fly on top because there's no rain due. And it's got the mosquito net. So happy days. So I'm going to zip it up now to stop any insects getting inside. That's a good thing about using a tent like this time of year with a bathtub bottom. It stops all the insects getting inside. It's also great if you camping with a dog, because it's tick season, to prevent them from getting the ticks. So there's me. Happy days.
That was an interesting experience.
I forgot you were filming.
Right guys, so everybody's cooking their evening meal now. So I've got a Madras curry kit, jasmine rice and pre-cooked chicken breast. So it's literally as easy as that, guys. Yeah, couldn't get no easier, guys. So just warm that up now, give it a stir every so often. And it's down the Gregory Peck. So as you've seen on my previous videos, guys, it's as simple as that, right? Just put everything in your mess tin and then warm it up. And the bag I brought the chicken to camp with. Houses all my rubbish. So here's Dawes' camp, guys. As you can see, he squares everything away after him.
Camp chaos.
Camp chaos.
What can I say? I've created as much mess and I haven't even got my camp out. Mine's still in my bag.
You got awful big knees, guys.
I got big everything, mate.
We'll
Find that out later.
have none of that on this channel.
Didn't say that last night.
No, I know. Right guys, so I'm going to do a bit of can stamping for you. See how this goes now, right?
Yeah.
So I'm first, am I boys?
You're first, mate.
Right then, are we putting on the block?
I'll do that. Fuck, that's not a bad effort. It's a little bit tilted. You
don't want much, do you?
So put that to the side.
You give me a score now, innit?
Well, how does Adam do it? He scores them straight away, does he? Or?
Yeah.
I kind of need to see how bad the other one's going to be to see how
This was
bad I
going to be
rate
crap,
yours.
I know it.
Go on, Dawes boy. Oh, for
Oh, right now I can score.
have you got your glasses on?
That was a pretty bad go, to be fair, mate. I'm not being mean.
Have you been on the cooking, Sherry?
I'll have a go. I'm going to use Dorian's Monster.
Oh,
I think it's the bigger of the cans.
it's the toughest.
I'll show him how it's done, obviously.
Oh my god, that's perfect.
No,
That's a good one
I got to admit, I think that is the winner.
so far. Here we go, guys, round two. Guys won the first one.
It's stuck to his.
That's terrible.
Oh no!
Oh,
no! I think that might be around 5, mate.
Shit, that is.
That's around a 5-ish, somewhere around there.
Oh,
Oh,
well done, Dawes.
He's trumped me. That's a definite. I think 7.
Oh, well done,
What do you
Dawes.
think, bud? I think 7. Easy.
Yeah, give us
Easy
7. Yeah.
7.
Oh, hold on.
Maybe more.
7.5.
7.5. Yeah, yeah.
7.5. So we're on the small cans now, guys. Gauge is up.
I'm saying that. Oh, that wasn't a very good one.
6, 7.
6.
6.
Round 3, guys.
Round 3.
Oh, fuck. Ooh.
Dawes is up. Ooh. Oh.
In all honesty, though,
Flippy does.
I think actually Lee, that's going to score less than yours.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
The head in centre, whereas yours is a bit more centre.
Boys in the wood. Oh.
Oh,
Ooh, I know.
that's way off centre.
That's just as shit.
The Welsh Wanderer is the winner.
I'm starting to think, can stamping, you really need to be new to it to win. The more you play it, the worse you get.
That's true, that is.
It is, isn't it?
The first time I done it, I was eating 9s.
Oh,
See?
yeah.
Right, guys. I'm in the recon one. Cracking night with the boys. So I'm going to get my head down now. And if I don't speak to you through the night, I'll speak to you in the morning. As you can see, I'm not in a sleeping bag. It's absolutely boiling. There's no insects in here. Bonus. Night night, guys. Sleep tight. Good morning, guys. Beautiful sleep last night. Absolutely awesome. Thank God they brought earplugs.
Kiss my arse.
So, tent is away. Burger is more or less packed. Leave no trace. That's all that's left to do is make a brew. Powder my feet. And we're away. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous night, guys. Slept like a baby. Started off on top of the sleeping bag, and about 3 o'clock this morning I jumped in the bag. Let's have a last look at the big build. Here it is, guys. Took some work, 2.5 years he said. Happy days. There you go, guys. Bish bash bosh. Easy peasy, Japanesey. Get a brew wanna go? And possible breakfast.
You taught me shit again.
Yeah, as always. Put some in the sock, guys. Liberal. Bish bash bosh. Jobs are good then. Repeat. I'm doing all this now while my coffee's brewing up, see? In the sock. Good dosing. Help if I open it. Start again. Liberal. Up there for a minute. SOPs, guys. Standard operational procedures. Right guys, it's 6:30 AM. We had a clean up of camp. Just waiting for Dawes and we're out here. 360. Leave no trace, guys. That's how I was camping. There's our bag of communal rubbish. I'll carry that because I got everything there. I'm not carrying extra baggage, you know. Not like a cart or so, buckaroo, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so excellent location, guys. I say get up there, boys in the wood. He put a massive amount of work in there, as you can see, him and his brother. 2.5 years, and that's working full time as well, as guys. Massive respect, because it's a hell of a yomp into you. Hell of a tab it is. Yeah, so just waiting for Dawes now. Put his Gimp mask away. Gare did say he didn't need one. There you go. Excellent company, guys. Dawes and Gare. Love camping with Dawes. Amazing guy, amazing guy. So much respect for him. And Gare there. YouTube legend. Right. So that's me signing out, guys. If you like this video and you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Be much appreciated. Give us a like and a share, and I shall see you guys on the outside. Tank out.